If you want to land more clients on Upwork, testimonials are one of the best things you can do on your profile to increase your credibility and to land bigger and better clients ultimately. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. And I actually just got 9 new testimonials on my profile all within one day. And I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, these are the last 9. And I actually put a post about this on my YouTube channel that a lot of people were engaging with. And that's why I'm making this video, because some people asked, well, how does this work? And basically, this is where a person with a valid LinkedIn account is going to give you basically a free review on your profile. Now, you don't have to pay for any of this. It's completely free. And clients don't really know the difference between this and like a real one, like this $2,000 job, for example, right? They just don't know the difference. So what we can do is we can just get anybody who has a valid LinkedIn account to give us a free testimonial. Now, I'm going to quickly show you the specifics of it, and then I'm going to tell you like how I do it and how my students do it. Okay, so first and foremost, you need to fill out the first name and the last name of the person giving you the review. You also need to get their business email address and their LinkedIn profile. The rest of the stuff doesn't really matter. You can also put like a little optional message. So there's a few important points here. Number one, you can't use a new LinkedIn account. If it's a new LinkedIn account, it just won't work. And Upwork is, smart enough to figure out that a brand new LinkedIn account has been created and this is just being farmed for a review. So really, you want to get people that have an old LinkedIn account, even if they've not used it in ages. It doesn't matter, and it doesn't seem to affect the ability to get those to go through. So what I do and what I get my students to do is I basically say to everybody that I'm working with, look, I need some reviews on my profile. If you have a valid LinkedIn account, please can you give me a review? I usually will just give them like $5, $10, but you can just get them to do it for free. And I actually just tell them what to write or give them some indication of what I think they should write and so on for previous client work or not, if you catch my drift. So all you're really doing is filling this out. Then Upwork will shoot them an email basically saying, look, would you like to leave a review for this person? And then they'll give them like a small chat box that they can type in their testimonial. Now, a couple other things. This does usually take about 10 days to land on the profile. Like for example, I applied for these on the 30th and we are on the 31st and we are on the 11th, right? So it's been about 11 days. So these should come through in the next 1-2 days. And you also may notice like some of them have requested, but some of them some of them haven't been filled yet. So what this means is that the people that I sent it out to just didn't get the email. And the reason for that, and a lot of people don't talk about this, is because some emails won't work. So when you're communicating with the person that's giving you a review, just make sure they're actually getting the email, because some emails don't work. Sometimes like a Gmail might not work. Sometimes like a really specific business email might not work. So you'll just want to double check that. And yeah, like this, that's it. Like it's a pretty simple thing to do, but it makes a massive improvement on your profile. And it just overall makes a big deal, and it makes a big improvement to the profile. Like if I show you like one of my students, Harrison has made over $70,000 on his Upwork profile. And one of the reasons he's done that is because he has a bunch of free testimonials. This doesn't cost him anything. It just makes his profile look good, right? So if you're not doing this, you should do it. And that is exactly how to get free testimonials. But that's only one piece of the puzzle. So if you want a full 7-day step-by-step guide on exactly what to do and how to build out your Upwork profile so you can land your first few clients, check out this video.